Why do you compose most of your songs in Ezza instead of English? That is one question many people ask me very often. Some people believe that singing in English would help me reach a wider audience. Others wonder why I continue to use a language that many people outside Ezza may not understand. Today, I want to tell you why Ezza remains my preferred language for composing most of my songs. I have 5 reasons, and number 1 is Ezza is the language of my identity. It is the language I grew up hearing from my parents, elders, and community. It is a language through which cultural values, stories, and traditions were passed down to me. When I sing in Ezza, I am not merely using words. I am expressing who I am. A person can learn many languages, but there is something unique about expressing yourself in the language of your roots. Number 2, some feelings are best expressed in Ezza. Every language has expressions that are difficult to translate perfectly. There are emotions, proverbs, and cultural values in Ezza that lose some of their beauty when converted into English. A perfect example is Omentekenteke. When I tried to translate my song Omentekenteke into English, I discovered that while I could translate the words, I could not fully translate the meaning, emotions, imagery, and cultural depth behind them. The English version communicated the words, but it did not carry the same soul as the original Ezza expression. That experience taught me that some ideas are deeply rooted in the language that gave birth to them. Certain expressions, proverbs, and cultural concepts lose something when translated. They can be explained but not perfectly reproduced. This is one of the reasons I love composing in Ezza. The language allows me to express thoughts and emotions in their most natural and complete form. Number 3, music can preserve a language. Many indigenous languages are gradually disappearing because younger generations use them less frequently. If we stop speaking, writing, and singing in our languages, future generations may lose an important part of their heritage. Through music, I hope to contribute in my own way to preserving Ezza language and culture. A song can keep a language alive. Number 4, every language can glorify God. As a gospel musician, I believe that God understands every language. God is not limited to English. People worship in different languages across the world, and their worship is equally precious before Him. That is why I feel comfortable singing to God in Ezza. Number 5, preserving heritage through music. One of my passions is preserving our cultural heritage. Music is one of the strongest carriers of culture. When we sing in our indigenous languages, we preserve our stories, our wisdom, our values, our history, and our identity. This vision aligns closely with Omentekenteke entertainment, preserving the rhythm of our heritage and glorifying God. For the record, I do not completely reject English. In fact, let me be very clear. I am not against English. English helps me reach people from different backgrounds and nations. As a matter of fact, some of my songs and teachings include English. I believe that English and Ezza can coexist. I do not have to abandon my language in order to communicate to the world. Instead, I can use both languages while remaining true to my roots. What do you think? Should musicians do more to preserve indigenous languages through music? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook for more conversations.